So welcome back guys. So this is the part 4 of our series of video. So guys. So this is a part 4. So today guys we will create a function that will control all of the branch contents of linked list starting from the given node. So all of the atong ipanghatag is atong usahon. So we'll create a function called public void, let's say print list. Let's say print list lang itong method. Then walay parameter, then atong isod public void print list. So we'll create a node, the node, then top node, no, or any variable, basta any ra na pwede ra na basuhan sa inyong butangan as equal to head. Now after we go as head, no, we will while loop, no, t node is not equal to null, then if t node is not equal to null, then system that out that print atong system println t node dot data plus then t node equals t node dot next. So muna aron ma-loop siya tanan then after that we will now create a main method of the whole program, no. This was the main method. Ang tanan natong ipangsulat is public static void main string args public static void main string args. So first we'll create an object about the class link, about the class linked list. So how we will create an object, so simply copy this class there, copy ra na guys, hindi tama sa up, then just put this, then create a new object name, let's say list or li bisag unsa, then new paste this down. That's how you create an object. So after that we will use this object name, no, list to, let's say list or linked list, that we can use now the function or method that we created earlier. So first we create a push, we create a insert after nga function, insert a append for last. So first we will insert or 6. So that append list that append 6, that append 6. Next is we'll push number, let's say 7, and list that push, let's say number 1. After that we will list that append gahapon, append, let's say 8, 4 para sa example guys, append 4, then list that insert after head list dot head dot next, then 8. So probably then we will create a system dot out here, guys. System dot out dot print ln let's say new line lang aron created linked list is state dot print. So basically, guys, no, ato nakita nga sa atong main method is we create an object linked list, no, sa atong class nga linked list, then we use object name LLIST, then we use the different function or method that we created earlier. So basically, we know that the push method that we use here is for front of the list. So basically, it will print this. It will print, and append is for last, and for insert after is for between the two, no? So first, it will print, append is for the last money. Finali siya sa iwit. Push, so naimo na ang 7. So it will print 7. Then ni push man tag 1, so probably ang 1 na po'y nauna. So sunod ang 7, sunod append. So last gyapon sila 6, kani 6 4 but niingon mo dire nga ni insert after ta sa head that next to head, so 1, sunod that next man 7, so sunod ana is ang 8, mabutang dire ang 8. So ingani siya mabasa 17864 ang linked list nga atong nagama. So we'll try this if to save, then run it. I hope nga walay error, and check lang nato, guys, wag na ba error. So tangan na to quandary semicolon. I think walay error, and yes, created linked list is 17864. So sakto, guys, 17864 mao ni ang atong na-create nga linked list. So aron masabtan, first, so mangita as this ang maning append, push, append, insert after. So ato diri na nato nakuha sa atong function nga atong gigama. So basically, og aron masabtan is pwede nato dire ato pangan is for end or last. So ang kaning append nato is last ni. Aron masabtan last. So save nato og mo run maghapon. So can see run gihapon siya, guys. So bisag unsa natong pangan sa tong method, pwede siya magama, no? Last na tawang gipuli. So kani pong post is for para sa kinahanglan. So probably or masayo natong sabtan is atong ni first, di ba? Or in the beginning. So nga na lang siya, guys. Then ang kani start after. So therefore we create a print list aron ma-print sa tanan. Now we create a print list. So mani ato humana siya, guys, ato balikon aron dito open na. So that's all. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your friends nga naglisod sa nga makatabang ni sa about sa kanang lips about linked list. So anything, so just comment para makibata. So thank you for watching and good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.